You don't need more time. You need more pain. Because progress doesn't come from calendars, apps, or plans. It comes from friction. From sitting in the silence where your brain begs you to quit and staying there anyway. Our generation worships comfort. We chase dopamine like oxygen. Scroll for pleasure, eat for reward, rest for escape. But the truth is brutal. The brain doesn't grow when it's comfortable. It adapts when it's challenged. That burn you feel in the gym, that's neurons rewiring. That boredom when you study late at night, that's focus forming. That silence you can't stand, that's your mind detoxing from noise. Pain is not the enemy, it's the compass. It points to everything that matters. The reps that hurt are the ones that build muscle. The conversations that sting are the ones that build character. The failures that burn are the ones that teach resilience. Imagine fire. It destroys what's weak and refines what's real. That's you. Every day you choose discomfort over ease. Every time you walk into the rain instead of hiding from it. Every time you sit with frustration instead of numbing it. You're not losing, you're forging. Psychology calls it dopamine recalibration. Every time you resist the urge for instant reward, your brain learns patience. Your threshold for effort increases. And one day, what once felt painful starts to feel powerful. So stop asking for more time. You have 24 hours, just like everyone else. Ask for more tolerance, for pain, for boredom, for growth. Because the people who win aren't faster or smarter. They've just made peace with the burn. And when your body screams, when your mind says, enough, smile. That's the signal. That's the border between who you are and who you could be.